Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Solana. Had to readjust my camera a little bit. Hope you're all doing great, hope you had a great Christmas or just good holidays wherever you're from. I mean, not everybody is celebrating Christmas, of course. But yeah, welcome to another update on Solana, in which we have some things to talk about, all right? Because yesterday we got a fake out, all right, which is not amazing. But yeah, I hope so. I hope none of you got caught, all right? Because, and I'm not sure if I talked about this in my Solana videos, but what I talked about about the markets in general and about Bitcoin is that usually times like Christmas or just at the end of the year, look, the volume is pretty decent in the markets, right? I mean, there's nothing wrong with the volume. The volume for Solana right now is 6.6 billion. But at times like these, the markets are just strange. So you cannot always trust breakouts, because what I said, and that is in my eyes still the current scenario, what I said is that Solana right now is stuck between 120 and 110. 120 as a resistance, 110 as a support. And we're waiting for one of those to break out. And in the end, we did break out above 120, but then we failed to hold it as support. So it was a fake out, and the chances of a fake out were higher given the market circumstances. But that does mean, I mean, this is not necessarily bearish. I mean, it's not great if you enter the position based on the bullish breakout, but it doesn't mean that a fake out does not necessarily mean that we're going to crash. All right, I mean, Solana right now, and I'll say this, I'll say this in every video. Solana right now is still doing great. I mean, I'm not going to have a look at. I'm not going to look at those statistics on the network total value locked again, but it's probably still doing great, right? So Solana is doing good. Can I please see some statistics on this? That would be great. Yeah, Solana is still doing great, and you can also see the open interest. It peaked yesterday evening when we had that bullish breakout. And when we went up to 125, which is also a bit of a psychological level. So that also caused a bit of bearish pressure. But you can see the open interest is still very high. I mean, it has dropped down a bit over the last day, as you can see. But if it stays at these levels, Solana is still fine. Now, if you want to know what's going to happen next, though, I would still say that my analysis is valid. All right, so 120, now we know that we really need to break above that, retest it, and get another green candle to see it supported. And the same with a bearish breakout. I mean, with a bearish breakout, we need to see a breakout, green candle, test, and then we know it's a bearish breakout. But at this moment, I mean, fundamentally, Solana is still very bullish, but it would also still be bullish if we get a bearish breakout here and fall down towards $195, right? If you understand what I'm saying. So it's not crazy to get a bearish breakout here, even though Solana is bullish. So in my eyes, it's just waiting. It's just waiting for what's going to happen next. Bitcoin right now, that's not Bitcoin. But Bitcoin right now is also struggling a bit. If Bitcoin fails to find strong support at 42,000, Solana will probably fall. All right, so Solana will probably get that bearish breakout below 110 and drop down below a level right here at 100, and then probably like 96, 95. Find support there, consolidate, and then eventually still get up to 135. That's what I think is most likely. All right, and for now it's just waiting for that bullish breakout. I mean, I can tell you it's most likely we're going to get a bullish or a bearish breakout, but it wouldn't make sense, because right now both scenarios on the longer time frame are still bullish. If you zoom out, both are bullish in my eyes. It's just whether we get up to the next target now or have a bit of a pullback before. I'm leaning towards a little pullback before, but wait for that breakout. And that's what you need to know. So those are my thoughts on Solana. If you do have any questions, let me know. More info and more value is in my premium and signal group. Links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. Check that out if you want to. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.